Alright, this is the second downhill part. Nothing exciting happening while I was doing that uphill section. A couple of cars, a little bit of a rough road, but nothing too terrible. Oh, I wonder if this was the section where last time I cycled, they were building this and I just had to walk through mud. And like, this mud isn't like, I've never seen anything like it in Australia. It's just the viscosity of like melted ice cream or something, and you just go through it. Yeah, that was just not fun. Yeah, and I had to walk along this ledge here with my bike. Yeah. Anyway, but things always are getting better in China. Yeah, they're building everywhere, but it's always getting better. It's windy, but it's a really nice breeze. I've just got this long sleeves on. I've got a jumper in the back, in my backpack. That's more for the trip home if I'm going late. Yeah, some nice views. I'll be ending up in that city, that village down there. Yeah, this was it. That was not fun. Carrying my bike along this ledge while my feet are just sinking into the mud. And I had new shoes as well, so my nice shiny white shoes just became brown, just it's on the first ride I had with them. But I mean, for a new road, I mean, it's pretty terrible. Yeah, I mean, they've extended it. The first time it was just really narrow, you can see here. And I drove along with Isabel once, and there was only room for one car at a time. And yeah, it was a bit of an ordeal just trying to move the car over to let other people go through. Alright, now I have to figure out which way I go. Still paranoid about punctures. That was good the other day. I noticed that I did get some sort of wire stuck in my tyre that was causing a slow leak, but once I pulled it out, the sealant started to do its job, so I'm happy. I think my problem before, something tells me I go down that way. I can't remember this road. I don't know where it goes. go down here. Don't tell me this. It's got to be this way. Yep, it is. Need to figure out where that road goes. Nice views. Once again, I just keep going on with it. Best thing I bought was this. Well, the Strava subscription's pretty good. Just having the being able to create these routes. I mean, I'm running out of new roads to ride along. Or maybe I'm just becoming a bit more complacent. I want to go north. The north side is just so beautiful around Linqiaocun. But I just a little bit longer to get out there. There's a nice temple coming up. I've got a bike pump in my back pocket just in case there's angry dogs. I had to pull it out once, but it's been alright. No dramas. Still always, all these times, it just amazed me just how much building and construction is going on, and like how many places there are that must still need this. Village I'm kind of going to end up in, or the little town. Yeah, it's a lovely little place. But I went there a couple of weeks ago on a school trip, and it was interesting because like it was all nice and idyllic, this village, but we went into all these little factories just on the just off the side of the road, you know, on the side streets. That was quite amazing, you know. It was just, you know, they look like these lovely little villages, and then we go into these factories which are just making all the all that junk for the reject shop, and all those really, you know, all that garbage, all those like Christmas decorations and stuff. Oh, it was interesting watching it all getting made. You know, it's also just watching all this junk that's going to end up in our rubbish bins. And like, you think everyone that lives out there are farmers, you know, making lots of money just because they own all the property and they're filthy rich. But no, there's still like people that need these jobs, and the government's sort of hoping that the schools, they can work with the school to find ways to make these small village factories profitable and just hire more people. I don't know how it can be done, but oh, I've nearly gone down. That's nearly 11 minutes. Very pleasant. I might have a bit of a snack here. Got some pancakes in the back. Might get a Coke as well. I might get a Coke yet, but I've got buy some water. Brace myself for the next uphill part. I must be nearly halfway through this trip. Still got a way to go. Watch the road, Matthew, watch the road. Traffic on this side of the mountain. Other side's pretty quiet. Don't think I saw any cars going up and down. Where do I go? Here, across that bridge. Yep. Found out the name of this village, but oh, I should call it a town. My definition, the difference between a village and a town is a town sells refrigerated Coca-Cola. Yeah, there was one place, I could try and go past it, but yeah, so after we were looking at these factories, and we walk along this path, and they show us these ancient scratchings. You know, people had been scratching onto the walls hundreds of years ago. this road, and it'd be a nice easy flat road home. But it's just, yeah, ugly transit road. Alright, don't think there's really much of interest in this village. If I come across those old scratchings, I'll just probably take a few photos. Alright, I'll probably see you in the next downhill part.